my weekend plans. My name is Daniel. I am 27 years old. I live alone in a small apartment in a quiet part of the city. I work at an office from Monday to Friday. My job is not too hard, but it keeps me busy all week. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I help with emails, make reports, and answer calls. My office is on the 4th floor of a tall building. I sit near a window, and I like looking outside when I take short breaks. During the weekdays, my life is simple and a little bit busy. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I take a warm shower, brush my teeth, and get dressed. I usually wear a shirt and dark pants for work. I eat a quick breakfast, toast with peanut butter and a cup of hot coffee. I do not have much time to cook in the mornings. After breakfast, I take my bag, put on my jacket, and walk to the bus stop. The bus takes about 20 minutes to reach my office. At work, I sit at my desk, check my computer, and do my daily tasks. Around noon, I take a lunch break. I usually bring lunch from home, like rice with vegetables or a sandwich. I eat in the break room with some coworkers. After lunch, I go back to work until 5 p.m. Then I take the bus home. When I arrive home in the evening, I feel a little tired. I take off my shoes and sit down for a few minutes. Then I make dinner. I like simple meals, maybe some pasta with sauce, or chicken and rice. I eat while watching TV. After dinner, I clean the kitchen and sometimes read a book or listen to music. I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. That is my usual weekday routine. But my weekends are different. I look forward to the weekend because I can rest and do things I enjoy. I do not have to wake up early or rush to work. I can take my time. On Friday night I feel happy. After dinner, I relax on the sofa and think about the next 2 days. I make a list in my notebook. I like writing a short weekend plan. It helps me enjoy my time better. My plan usually includes cleaning, walking, reading, cooking, and relaxing. On Saturday morning, I wake up around 8 o'clock. I stay in bed for a few minutes and stretch my body. I open the curtains and let the sunlight in. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I often make scrambled eggs, toast, and black coffee. I eat slowly and enjoy the quiet morning. I like to start my day with peace. After breakfast, I clean my apartment. I wash the dishes, sweep the floor, and wipe the table. I vacuum the carpet and tidy up the living room. I also clean the bathroom and throw away the trash. Cleaning is not always fun, but I like the feeling when everything is fresh and neat. I open the windows to let in fresh air. My home feels better after cleaning. By 11 a.m., I finish most of my chores. Then I change my clothes and get ready to go outside. I wear a t-shirt, jeans, and comfortable shoes. I take my phone, a bottle of water, and a small backpack. I walk to the park near my home. The walk takes about 10 minutes. At the park, I see green trees, flowers, and people walking their dogs. Some children play on the grass. I find a quiet place and sit on a bench. I close my eyes and listen to the birds. Sometimes I listen to music with my headphones. Sometimes I just enjoy the sounds around me. After sitting for a while, I walk around the park. Walking helps me clear my mind. Sometimes I bring a book and read under a tree. I like reading easy English books about daily life. I learn new words and practice understanding. I also bring my notebook and write short stories or ideas. Writing is fun for me. It helps me understand myself better. In the afternoon, I walk to a small cafe nearby. I order a hot drink, maybe a cappuccino or tea, and sit near the window. I watch people walk by. I like the slow, calm feeling of sitting in a cafe. I sometimes write in my journal or make plans for the next week. I go home around 4 or 5 p.m. I take a shower and rest. In the evening, I cook dinner. I try new recipes on Saturdays. Sometimes I make fried rice, soup, or noodles with vegetables. Cooking is relaxing. I like to take my time and enjoy each step. After dinner, I watch a movie or a show. I like light comedy or nature documentaries. I do not watch action movies because they are too loud. I turn off my phone and enjoy the quiet time. Before bed, I read a little or write a few thoughts in my notebook. Then I sleep. On Sunday, I wake up a bit later, around 9 a.m. I feel calm. I stay in bed longer and enjoy the soft blanket. I open the window and feel the morning air. For breakfast, I cook pancakes with honey or jam. I also drink orange juice. Sunday breakfast feels special to me. After breakfast, I call my family. My parents live in the countryside. We talk for 20 or 30 minutes. I tell them about my week, and they tell me about their garden or neighbors. I feel close to them even if we are far away. Later, I go for a short walk or visit the grocery store. I buy vegetables, fruit, milk, and bread. I also buy snacks like nuts or yogurt. I like shopping on Sunday because the store is quiet. After shopping, I come home and organize my food. In the afternoon, I rest. I listen to soft music or take a short nap. I also prepare for the new week. I look at my calendar, check my tasks, and choose clothes for Monday. I clean my work bag and charge my phone. Getting ready helps me feel less stressed. Before dinner, I do something creative. I might draw a picture, try a new recipe, or write a short story. I enjoy making something new. It gives me energy. Sunday dinner is always light, maybe soup, salad, or rice with vegetables. After dinner, I wash the dishes and take a shower. I turn off the lights in the living room and light a small candle. I like the warm, soft light. I sit quietly and think about the week. I feel thankful for the rest, the food, the quiet, and the little moments. Before bed, I read for 15 minutes. Then I brush my teeth, set my alarm, and go to bed around 10 p.m. My weekends are not big or exciting, but they are important to me. They help me feel calm, healthy, and happy. I enjoy the simple things: fresh air, clean rooms, warm food, books, and quiet time. These things give me energy to start a new week with a clear mind and a happy heart.